How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. I appreciate you guys all joining me. Tonight we are going to take apart this old Black & Decker 3/8 variable speed reversing drill. Now this was not this exact one. I bought this out of nostalgia. This is the first drill I had when I first bought my house. Passed down through my dad. Yes, Black & Decker. I ended up burning it out, going through a metal door, putting a hole in there for deadbolt. And not like a full metal door, it's like metal plated exterior door. And I was young in the game, and I burned it up. I screwed up the forward action. It still reversed backwards like a champ. Could not go forward though. So I ended up picking this up just to have, and we'll pop it open. As you can see, it looks like the cord at some point on this drill has been replaced. Also, something else I found kind of cool. It's a Black & Decker Chuck 3/8, and there you go, made in USA. We know the Chuck was. I don't think the rest of the drill was. We'll see what we get here. I don't know who owned this before me. Probably another homeowner like myself when I first had this drill, a drill like this. Now the coloring was no different from when this got released. They really did choose that color. I guess, would you say it's a brown? That's a long screw. So I'm guessing this screw probably goes through the whole body and connects to this housing. So it probably sits in like about there. Now this housing, see what it's like. Plastic. It's all plastic, must be like metallic coated or something like that. Now, as far as I know, this is a working drill. It does have reverse and forward. Has a trigger lock. So just thought I'd give you guys something different here. And see what we got. The year on this. Here you go with the model number. Double insulated. UL. Alright, we pulled the back off. So we got some vents in the back there. Seems like the back of the engine housing's right there. Trying to see if there's any markings on the inside. A little bit of dust in there, not much though. Pretty clean. This kind of has about the flex of a cordless drill nowadays. Seems like plastic. Okay, so got the wire coming up through the bottom there. Goes into the trigger. See if I can't pull this trigger out. So this is the directional in the back right there. The back of the housing. Well, alright, here we got some markings on this side for the trigger. UND SA 125 volt 4 amp line goes up here. So these are the brushes right there. Let me see if we got a way to get the front off here. Okay, got a flathead screw there. Let me get a flathead screwdriver for that. No, it must be a screw on the inside. Be a screw on the inside. So it all stays together. Nothing there. That's a screw. It comes back there, but I can't. Oh, I see it. There we go. Alright, so the trigger CH by resistor USA. So far USA. Let's get this out. That's the rest of that trigger there. Alright. It's got a fan on there. It's a pretty decent piece. I mean, it's a plastic fan. Got nice windings, a little bit of, I don't know if that's protectant on there, but it's not on that side, so I don't think it is. And look at that. Good helping of shmoo in the front. This is just plastic. This piece here is a metal. This here, even on the inside, plastic. Go ball bearings. Got them all in there. That's pretty much it. I mean, pretty neat. Works well. Well, there you have it. I'm going to be putting this thing back together. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the inside. We'll see if show you down there real quick. That's a fun time in there. This is plastic too. So, it seems like a lot of it was USA made. I don't know if all of it was, but so far we got the switch and the chuck, and then we got some plastic. there you have it, guys. Black & Decker 3/8 variable speed drill. I'll get this back together in another video. If you guys can remember exactly what it looks like there, I will show it running. Anyways, have a great night. I appreciate you guys all showing up every time I make a video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.